Hakuna Matata, my friend. So I have my Sony A7s III, and lately is the main dial here is acting really funny. It's like there is something that got inside and stuck in there and stop the thing, this main dial to move. When I try to move it around, it's really stiff. Or when I try to press the OK button, it's really stiff. And I really don't know. And it's like a grain of sand that got in. I mean, if just feel it. And it's been acting for the last couple of weeks. I really don't understand what is that. Do you experience something like that with your Sony? And if so, please do let me know in the comment box below. I don't know if that's a problem that universal is only with my Sony A7s III. I also don't know. So if it happened to me, do let me know in the comment box below. And how did you resolve it? Or is it the only option for me to send it back to Sony for Sony to fix it? Do let me know as well. That's the Sony A7s III. I don't know if you have another Sony, and did you have the same problem with that? Do let me know as well. Yeah, I'm giving away this Mavic Air drone when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So 3 simple things for you to do. First, subscribe to my channel. Second, like this video. Third, comment in the box and say I enter. When I reach 1,000 subscribers, you will get the Mavic Air drone. What about that deal? Good? So subscribe now. Alright, my friend. Okay, yeah, I don't know. It's about less than a year now, and it's just acting like this. That's no good news, isn't it? My beloved Sony A7s III, one of my favorite video camera. Yeah, let me know if you know solution for it. So yeah, let me know. All right, so that's what I want to share with you, the issue that I'm facing with the Sony A7s III lately. I hope we're gonna find a solution. Hi, thank you. Yep. So as usual, Hakuna Matata, my friend. For me, only peace and love. You stay safe, you stay protected, and we'll see you in the next video. Hi, peace now. Peace.